All right, I want to show you guys a cool trick that we can do to help with the fact that on this song we have this acoustic section at the very beginning that everything kind of kicks in, gets loud, and then we have this bridge section here. Specifically on these acoustic guitars, we can fix some of this like without having to automate a ton of stuff, without having to change our compressor settings. You can actually just duplicate the tracks and then drag down the sections that you would like from the original track all the way down to these bonus tracks that you just created. So what we can do is we can go ahead and break the regions there. And so we'll grab both of these and go drag them down here. We'll do the same with this little bridge section. So like you can tab to that transient if you want right there, or you can just grab at that grid point, and that's what I'm going to do. And then basically, because that is a very different vibe than what's happening earlier in the song. And so what you can do is actually change the gain. So if we go to the view and we go clip and we go gain line, we can actually kind of match the output of these other sections if we would like. So that's about 3.5 dB or so, 3.7 to be exact. And then kind of go at it from that range. Make sure that these both feel the same. Or if you'd rather, what you can actually do is adjust the actual compressors on these tracks. But it's nice because like you can now handle these separately. These volumes, these EQs, these compressors, they're all separate now. So you can go ahead and treat them as if they're two separate instruments, and that'll help with a lot of the back and forth between these two songs. Basically song types. I mean, you can kind of view this as two different things: kind of acoustic chunking thing, and then the jammin' rock section. And so I'm actually going to loosen up on some of the low stuff here and give it a little bit of a boost on these acoustic guitars in the low section to give them a little bit more body early on in the song. Awesome. Sounds great to me. All right, so let's move on to some guitar.